follower, man.
See, they expected to make a turn, and a lot of times it don't make that turn.
Yeah, they showed that little notch, right?
That little turn, well, you know, calling a, if you're off just a day on those turns, you're off a couple hundred miles.
Yeah. Yep.
How big's it going to be?
Worst case scenario for me, because that's where my mom lives.
Well,
and that's right on the other side of the bay. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with her, get her out of there, her little house. I can't.
What is it going to be, a category 2?
That's what they're predicting, yeah. And it look, man, I mean, it was really keeping its form like all the way up through Texas.
Yeah.
You know, it still had its circulation.
Well, the only chance we got down here is Quintana or go down to Corpus.